Hello and welcome to this episode where I will be showing you how to create your own signature token. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a signature token called Instra1. Okay, and I'm going to be doing this on using the BNB, blockchain for this. Okay, the BNB chain on the blockchain. All right, I hope that's not tautology, but I'm going to be doing my coin using BNB. So I first have to get BNB into my wallet. I'm going to be using, my MetaMask wallet, and I'm also going to be using, if remix.ethereum.org to create the token. That's a deployment platform to create tokens. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be buying, BNB. I'm going to be using like about $25 to see how much we're going to do. I probably will add more maybe when we want to do the liquidity thing. But for now, all I want to do is to buy, $25 worth of, BNB. So let's go ahead and just put $25 there. That will give me 0.117. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go and buy that. Let's just buy that. Want to go. I guess that is bought. I think we have bought it. Have we? Awesome, we have bought it. So now next up is that we're going to transfer this. Yeah, we've bought it. Look at it. We have it there. 1 point. Yeah, of course, has to take fees naturally. So we're going to have to transfer what we have here all the way into our MetaMask wallet. So here's my MetaMask wallet. I'm using Kiwi browser to work with that so that I can have it as an extension. So first of all, I just have to do is copy my wallet address right here, and then I'll just go over and then I'm going to click on withdraw. All right, so let's go to funding and withdraw. I'll place in the address here. Okay, everything as you can see down here, I'll just click on max, and then you will see that the amount to send is really tiny. Yeah, very small amount of fees. You can see 0.0005, very small amount of fees. Yeah, so all I just have to do is click on withdrawal. Yep, after which I would now confirm, and of course it's going to ask me all the questions it wants to ask me. Okay, so I'm just going to do my verification. So it's on its way, as you can see here, on its way, it's on its way to my MetaMask. Okay, so this is my MetaMask. This doesn't take so much time really. It should come in a few seconds or a few minutes. Well, let's just reload just to see. Okay, it's still on its way. I'll be back when it has arrived. See you shortly. Alright, I'm back, and you can see that it's already in my MetaMask wallet. Okay, like I told you, to create this coin we need an IDE, that's a development environment, right, where we'll be creating this token, and it's called remix.ethereum.org.